In this lesson, we will learn how to rotate the objects easily in AVSnap. AVSnap offers several simple ways to rotate objects on a design page. All objects are rotated based on a rotate interval using the rotate tool or the spacebar shortcut. First thing, we're going to adjust the rotate interval. The rotate interval can be adjusted from the page setup form or on the status bar on the bottom of the screen. Double left click on the empty part of the page or press shortcut P to display page setup form. Adjust the rotate interval to the desired angle. You can also adjust the rotate interval by moving your mouse over the 6 area of the lower status bar and rolling the scroll wheel of your mouse. Secondly, select the object you want to rotate using the selector tool and then select the object to rotate. After that, you can rotate the object easily by using spacebar shortcut key to rotate the selected object or symbol. If an origin object is included in a selection, then all the selected objects will be rotated around the origin object. To place origin in the same place as the mouse cursor, use Ctrl and spacebar shortcut. In conclusion, rotating object is an essential tool when designing AV systems, project layouts, and other diagrams. AVSnap is designed to streamline these frequently used operations to minimize your design time and save you money. Learn these shortcuts and you will turbocharge your design time.